Hey everybody, it's Craig here. I know a lot of you haven't seen me or heard from me for quite some time, and the reason why is because I've been buried into this platform. It's my new LinkedIn platform, and this thing is absolute gold. Now, I know some people have definitely enjoyed my text marketing platform, my Facebook platforms, my Twitter platforms, my Craigslist platforms, but let me tell you what. Those are all still amazing platforms. But this one right here is suited for somebody that is looking for just more than going out there and getting a lot of numbers and just getting the rules of the odds of lead conversion without targeting. This system right here is made for somebody that is into laser targeting by keyword, by industry, by what somebody does, by what their words in their profile could even be. This system actually does every single thing that you need to do when it comes to getting to the right prospects the first time and never sending anything to anybody that is not the right prospect, bottom line. Now, I'm going to be very brief on this demo. Of course, the objective is for you to see this and want to call me for a live demonstration so I can really go over it customized with your business, how you would use it, so you can actually see the revolution of what I have and also at the same time see how it will work best for you or if it won't. Now, let's just go over something right here and just show you how cool this really is. Now, first of all, I said it was for LinkedIn. So you're going to notice that we have a LinkedIn account in here. Whether you have a free account or you have a premium account, it does not matter. You also have to where you can send to your personal network of connections you are connected with. So if you got 3,000 connections, and if you don't, this system will have it right away for you, so you will. You can actually go through and send direct messages. But that's not all. Let's say that you wanted to send messages to people and you were only wanting to send messages to people that are marketers in your first connections. Talk about targeting. You can turn around and type in the word marketer, and you'll actually get only marketers that are in there. And there they are. This is it. You can go right through to all these people. You can simply type in your subject. You can even do personalization, such as something like this that will put their first name in its place. Real cool stuff, made for a marketer to market first person. You can turn around right here and then type in whatever type of message that you're going to do. It can be a solicitation. It can be a rule of engagement. It can be a webinar invitation. It could be anything that you want. It could be new premiums that are coming out if you're a life insurance person, health insurance person. It can just be you saying hi. Whatever you like to do to make rules of engagement for your sale, prospects, or networking, you can choose to do. The next thing that we have is sending messages to group members. Now, guys, let's say, for instance, that we're looking for mortgage brokers. I'm just going to throw this out there because there could be a variation of thousands of keywords. But what I'm going to do is say mortgage. First things first, with LinkedIn, you have to understand the beast. So you need to join a group that's going to have the type of people that you're looking for, that you're targeting. So join a mortgage group. But it's real simple with this software here. Because all you got to do is simply go in and type the keyword, such as you see here with the previous demonstration I did with a network marketer. You notice how it has the word network marketer. It shows you the groups that you can join that are network marketing. You can select them. You can then hit join selected groups, and it will do it automatically. It's really cool stuff here. Now, we're back over to here. And let's say that we are going to send a message to those particular people. Now, we said the word mortgage. Well, I have a mortgage group that's right inside of here. So I can check off mortgage right here if I want to go to mortgage professionals. Then I can turn around and I can look and say, you know what? This right here is not custom necessarily tailored for mortgages. So I have another campaign that's saved in here that I've already saved. So I'll go down right here for my data leads for mortgages that I sell. And now I have a message that I want to send. Notice how I make it personalized. Notice how I make it very simple. I don't try to solicitate. I'm sending them a subject line that says I'm looking for more mortgage contacts. And I saw them and I have a quick question. Very subtle stuff. I go over a brief introduction of myself. I talk about what I specialize in, how I want to help them, and if there's anything that I can do, of course, they can always get a hold of me right here. Very simple, very easy stuff. Those of you that see this number right here, if you call it wanting to ask for demonstrations for me with software, I want you to know this is a real number, but Aaron will be glad to sell you data, but I am the one that owns this software. I'm just showing you an actual, real, live campaign that I'm running because I only believe in live campaigns to show. Just wanted to point that out real quick because I know sometimes this can go out to the vast audiences. Now that we have that set up for a mortgage group to send a direct message that is pinpointed directly for mortgage people, I can now select how many actual messages I want to send. I'm going to do, let's just pull a number. I say 85. Then I can turn around right here and it's very simple. I can do two different things. I can search a keyword. I can put that keyword right there, such as mortgage. And I can turn around and if I wanted to do, say, a statewide search, well, I could easily just put Florida right here. Or I could put a city. Or I could leave that blank and I could choose all the cities that I wanted to go through in a variation of the searches. So it gives you a mixed search pattern. You can geo-target exactly on a city, state. You can select all cities and no keyword. You have variations of how you can go to a group and just get a massive amount of every one of their members and be able to send a message to them gradually throughout a period of time. Now, what I love about these is most importantly, every one of these are targeted leads. So this is not texting or emailing here or a Craigslist ad. This is real serious people that are targeted for your market. So when they get a message, they do two things. Either they just are not interested and don't even say anything at all, or they send back and say they'd like to know more details, and they even call you. They can go to your website. They can do a lot of different things depending on what kind of contact tag you leave at the bottom of this. Now, the next feature I want to show is something that's really, really cool. Now, notice when I told you this is a LinkedIn platform, I meant it when I said it. This is something that has marketing all around in one wrap. So this platform may have some features you might not use. It may have features for the right person that will use every single one of them automated every single day. So it's take your pick. I just didn't want to leave anybody out for what their needs are with LinkedIn. So that brings me to the next part, which is the social invitation. Now, what I love about this is, say we are connected to 300 people right now. And those people right there are all, just marketers or whatever you're connected to. And let's say that you wanted to actually get more connections, but target connections of what you're looking for. You can actually run this system to go through your connections, and it looks at their connections and goes through keyword right here. So if you're looking for an affiliate, for instance, it will look for those affiliates and send them a direct friends request. And I'll tell you why. Because you're connected with their first connection, which makes them a second connection. And that's a certain capability that you can do, and you can do it with this every single day automatically. And that's what I love about this. But not only that, it gets even crazier. So I know a lot of people know that with LinkedIn, and if you don't, you now know something awesome that LinkedIn's doing, is every time that someone looks at your profile, when you log in the next time, it actually lets you know that that person looked at your profile. Now, I love the curiosity that humans or animals or just us and our species alone of what we do, but it's always created. When someone looks at you, it makes you curious to go look at them. Well, here's the cool news, guys. They're targeted. So if you go right here to your keyword and you type in the word marketer and you check off multi-level marketer group, guess what? It's going to go view 3,000 profiles. Now, will you do 3,000 if you don't have a premium account? Probably not. You'll probably do about 500 to 1,000. But I'll tell you what, you can do with a premium account 3,000 a day. You can do with a free account 1,000 a day. And when you're doing those actually right there, let me tell you what, it goes targeted to the keyword, looks at their profile, and they actually see that you looked at them. And if you have a profile made just like a landing page almost, that it sells itself or directs them to a website, you are creating a funnel again, a lead generation funnel. And it's another feature that will get you leads. And once again, it's targeted, but that's not all. Every single person that it scans, It also gets their data. It aligns their data with first and last name, their job, their location, their banking industry. It gives their emails if they have it there. It gives their phone numbers. It even gives their Twitter ID. You can export this CSV and put this to work as well. So it actually makes it very simple for you to be able to build a database, also to be able to do other types of marketing, email marketing, text marketing, whatever type of marketing that you want to do. Now, I've taken up a lot of your time, and I understand that time is grand. So what I want to do also is show you one last capability just so you can just think about how awesome this system is. I have an area right here for every single first connection that you have. Now, notice how I told you that this system gets people to connect with you, and it can up to a couple hundred a day through all the variations that you're doing. Well, it would be nice if you could get their data, number one, which this system does because it updates the system. But also, at the same time, not only does it get all their data, their phone number, email, address, birthday, IM, all of it, it also allows when it updates a new actual contact to be able to actually send a message automatically to them. And you know what I like about this is it's all 100% hands-free. And it keeps you to be able to be in the loop with these guys. So when you're actually sending them something, you can simply just say something like how you see right here. Thanks for joining my network. I appreciate it. I'm basically just thanking them. I'm throwing a quick little deal out about what I do. So just so they know I'm in their back pocket at the end. Now, that is 100% the process of this system. I tried to go as fast as I can with as much features it has. I understand that it probably went over a little bit of the time that most people like to watch these. But I want to let you know that with this system, it's not just a software. It's a platinum. It's a platinum platform series. So with this, it includes a series of multiple features and softwares so you can conquer LinkedIn and get the prospects that you're targeting and get the deal conversions that you're looking for every single day.